Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be showing you on how I'm packaging my Abeka DVDs to return. So we've finished the whole school year and Abeka just emailed me, they emailed me twice to return the DVDs. So we're like a month and a half away of the completion date, but we've already finished the DVD. So I'm gonna start packing this. I will show you in the screen recording that I did on how to go to the their website, just Abeka return DVDs. You can just Google that and you can sign into your account, and I'll show you the process and how to do that and how you can print a free return label. Please note that the label is only good for 7 days. So there's a note in the top that you would have to return the DVDs within 7 days after printing the label. So here is the return authorization form. First, you need to go to the Abeka website, log into your account, and go to the FAQ for returns. So it's going to show up all the items that you need to return. Just put one in each quantity and click save and continue, and it's going to bring you to the next screen. It says, would you like to return these items? So just click yes and then click next, and then it's going to show the address, your return address. Just edit that and make sure it's correct. In case the package will be returned to you, it's in the correct address. And then after that, click next, and it's going to show you the label that you will need to print. It's a prepaid label and you don't have to pay anything, and there is a return instruction, a packing slip, and a tracking number. Just make sure to keep an eye on the delivery. So I got here 3rd and 5th grade DVDs. So these Abeka Academy DVDs are for lease, so you can't keep them, and you would have to ship them back to Abeka after the enrollment period is completed. So I got a box here. It's an old Abeka box that we had. I'm padding it with a craft paper. So I think this is just the right size for it. It's a little bit snug, but I think this will do. I have a bigger Amazon box, but this is too big for the return. So I hope this arrives in good condition. There is a tracking, but it's not like an insured label. I don't think it's an insured label that they're sending me, but I'll just use the label that they gave me, and I'll just keep an eye on the tracking just to make sure it arrives, and I'll also call them once it shows delivered just to make sure this arrives, because this is not cheap. You would have to pay for it if you get it lost. And I've already checked it. Check the lessons, make sure they're in good condition, there's nothing missing, and yeah, this is complete. And so after this we can start ordering the new grade level, and cover it with the craft paper and seal it, and yeah, we're ready to ship it back to Abeka. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.